Terminator 2, tonight on Mate.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. We're enjoying a protracted period of stunning autumn weather at the moment, and I hope it lasts as long as the forecast says it will. Slightly warmer on Wednesday, but by the end of this week, those temps will come right down again as the next cloudy change blows through. Temperatures today have finally settled to something that looks like a typical day in the third week of April, a top of 24 degrees in Tewantin and 25 at Nambour, and humidity 58% at the airport. Now let's look at the satellite loop. First, all the actions up north. You might have heard about the heavy rain that's occurring just in tropical Queensland at the moment. No stress, it will never affect us because it's being caused by a tropical system that's gradually moving west, not south. For us, it's just basically clear skies, and it will last that way for at least another day or two before we see some cloud. Now, on today's chart, you can see firstly that there's a high in a typical midwinter position. Remember, as we get into the cooler months, the highs shift from being over the ocean to over the land. And what that does, it means the anti-clockwise winds come off the land as a southwesterly rather than off the ocean as a southeasterly. And so that dry wind produces the clear skies that we're seeing and also the cooler nights. On tomorrow's chart, the high pops offshore. What that means is that it'll still be very calm, might even get some morning fog, but the anti-clockwise flow will mean the wind will start to go northerly. A little bit warmer, still no cloud. Then on the outlook chart, the high continues to move further east and the next front and trough approaches. So by Thursday, we'll start to see more cloud. And after that goes through, it'll be another cool change with maybe a shower or two hanging into the weekend. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters, northerly winds tomorrow, freshening up to 20 knots in the afternoon before shifting northwesterly on Wednesday and then southwesterly during Thursday. That's that change. Surf's very friendly at the moment, lovely and clean in the light offshore breeze, and a metre of swell on the open beaches, just big enough to catch a wave. Dead on half moon tomorrow, so we've got a neap tide. That means only a very slow and smooth rise from the morning low to the afternoon peak. Good times. Now, the southeast coast district, a warm sunny day after some early fog. Maroochydore 14 to 26 degrees, very comfy. Nambour 27 and Gympie 28. And looking ahead for Maroochydore, a cool change Thursday, Friday could bring a shower with a sharp drop in temperature after the change goes through. A second upper trough system may bring more rain late in the weekend. And that's all for this evening, folks. Pleasure to have your company, as always, and thanks for watching 7 Local. I'll be back this time tomorrow with the next page in the Book of Weather. Hope you can join me. Now it's back to you, Rob.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you, mate. Thanks for your company. And a reminder, you can catch us anytime on 7+. We've got the National Bulletin now. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Tonight in 7 News, the New Zealand bubble takes off. Heartwarming scenes at Queensland Airport.